एएस शॉर्ट हैंड की आने वाली सारी वीडियो को देखने के लिए चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें। 4th of May. If you will be ready when I come, I shall be happy to take the ride with you to the show. I think you will enjoy the ride and you may take a fair share of the game. How do you like the new book? I think you were right to come away when you were feeling very. I have had a talk with Wave and Duke, who were both at the party on Monday. I saw Booth today and he will be with us at the show. If you should know anybody who can share the work of the opera with us, I shall be happy to. I have a new camera which I should like to show you when I see you. I shall be happy to see you tomorrow if you can come. Why do you think he was aware of the likely failure of the firm? I think you for the tube of color, which I think should be all right. They deny they were at the tower at the time of the fire. I think you owe the head on apology for the way you hurried away on Monday. If he were aware of the date, he would, I think, have come with us. Kenneth Doyle, whose view all of us share, wrote to say he would arrive at 5. I think too much time was given to the topic. What do you think? Thank you for the notice of the affair on Saturday the 6th. I shall be with you early, and if I may, I will carry you back to the city to launch unless you have a desire to go to the Royal Hotel. I should like to take you to the usual cafe to launch because the meals always seem to be both dainty and cheap. I wish you were ready for the visit to Sicily. Those lovely take make us long to be away. I think the change itself would be likely to make you enjoy the peace of the village life when you get back. Those of us who have had such a change of scene know this to be likely. I shall be ready to leave as soon as you, and it is for you to name the date. I, Miss Nelson, wish to see the works. She can come to this office on Tuesday for Wednesday of this week, and I shall be happy to show all the details she may desire to see.